The Supreme Court has found Sanganga No. 2 Member of Parliament, Maulolo Tavita guilty of contempt of court. Also found guilty of contempt are Ututaalonga Charlie Ulia, Fata Rokeni and Fata Va'afaitolutasi of Ofenga. The court's decision was delivered today by His Honor the Chief Justice, Satiusi Mativa Perese. The contempt of court stemmed from Maulolo and others' refusal to comply with the court's orders to stop evicting Le'auva'a people residing on disputed lands or conducting any work of the disputed lands between Ofenga and the people of Le'auva'a. The evidence establishes beyond a reasonable doubt the respondents led by Maulolo Tavita Amusa, Ututaalonga Charlie Ulia, Fata Rokeni, and Fata Va'afaitolutasi, who have all had the chance to be heard, have committed contempt of this court's orders. The decision further stated that Maulolo's admission that it is his and Ofenga's stated intent to continue to evict the people of Le'auva'a, carrying out the intimidation, threats, and inflicting damage. Chief Justice Perese directed that a copy of his decision be handed over to the police commissioner. A person is liable to imprisonment for a term not exceeding 3 years who with intent to intimidate or annoy any other person by discharge of firearms, alarms, or attempt to alarm any person in any dwelling house. He also made an order that a copy of his judgment be forwarded to the Parliament Speaker because it is a finding of contempt of court against a person who is a sitting member of Parliament. This case is a long-standing dispute over lands between Ofenga, Le'auva'a, Tuana'i, and Levi, and some of the issues are still pending in court.